Ano niya?
Si Jess.
Kuya Jess! Kasama ko si Kuya Jess ba?
Sabi niya, hindi ako nag-aalala sa mga ipin.
Ang ingay mo naman. Ang pangit pa na pinanonood mo, maglaro ka na lang.
Nandun siya, upo lang.
Go play every.
Pa-open ako nung kaya kasi malakas ka ba?
Oo nga, yun na nga.
Naku, talaga.
Ginakal mo naman yan. Ito muna, please ka muna.
Hinahin ko na. Pwede ba konti ba?
Hindi ka magla-live ngayon, Mike. Uy, sa'yo. I'm watching. Parang ang nasa-silent na naman. Oh my God, pwede ka magkaroon ng like malabas sa siguro gano'n.
Nabaliw?
Parang, hindi, parang obsessive, parang gano'n. Bagay sa'yo yun.
Personal, dream ko yun.
Ang hirap you're obsessed. Masaya nun, pero that's so hard. Yeah, that's so hard though. Masaya ganun yun, pero after dating, wala sa books ka na. Ano ba ba you? That's so
No,
hard.
but I know that show.
Oh, I love that show. It's so good. I love it. Favorite ko.
You.
Really, you like it? What's your favorite season?
Says a lot of
Syempre, one. Pero nung dumating si Love. I love the season of Love. Yung third season. Yeah.
Have you guys watched the series na parang you watch according to however you want to watch it? And then the story will be different depending on how you watch it.
Black Mirror?
No. Parang colors yung episode eh.
Ah.
Forgot the name.
But have you tried watching Black Mirror?
Pero na-bored ako,
Have
mali
you watched
yung
Black
pinili
Mirror?
ko.
I love Black Black Museum. Girl! Girl, ano nila nung Black Museum?
Last match.
That was the first episode I watched pa. I was 16.
Oo, nung high school din ako, yun yung amats namin ng mga kaibigan.
Ako din.
Match.
Black Mirror classroom.
Black Mirror?
Oo. Di ba bata-bata
Yung I'm so bad ng Pinoy slang. Alam mo yung AM,
Ano yan?
like AM, alam ko amplifier. I thought that's what it meant for, like amp, like an amplifier. Yun pala iba yung
Oo. Ang mura siya, di ba?
Oo. Hindi mo nga,
Ang... Pag tinatype,
Captain na ano ako, Pilipinas.
Captain Philippines.
Ilabas ko na ba yung isang tray?
Ng pork?
Yeah.
I got it. Ano yung mag-watch?
Ako na.
Hindi, ako na. Germany ba?
Pwede pa yan, pang chop ka ng gulay-gulay.
Thank you, Mike.
Thanks, master.
Yan na lang natira. Hindi, madami pa.
Meron pa isa? Isa pang tray ng pork.
Malaki na yung tira.
Na-chop na.
Chop na yun.
Yes, na-season na din. Anong difference nito na na-season? Ay, meron na.
Meron na.
Ay, sorry.
Lalandian habang nagtato.
Ay, nako, Josh. Ay, nako, Josh.
Takot ako sa ganyan. Yung tunog na... Ay, feeling ko sobrang nag-mess up ako. Pag sinabihan ako gano'n or ginanon ako, parang... Ala...
Beaches!
Ang bilis na. Ang bilis na pork ngayon.
Sunlock? Tika. Ay, tiyang. Sunlock yun naman.
Yung motivation niya na, kung magano mo
Taas. Binyagan na yan.
Klang na lang.
So, parang pagod na pagod ka na.
Ay, para sa pares yan. Pa-toppings nila.
I told you I'm prepared. I'm good na, girlie. I'm good na.
Ako nag-lotion. May floor, ha? Next pa.
Kailangan ba ubusin lahat ng meron natin?
Sabi ni Kuya, sobrang dami daw.
Customer? Eh kasi sobrang dami pa nating to. Baka marami na nakapila, no?
Pero pinapaprep niya ako.
Pati pork na dagdagan. Pork lang rin nagdag, no? 2 kilos.
Oo, nagdagdag kami from yesterday. Na nakapinilig ko.
Hindi ko alam. Rice from yesterday pa. Out na lang. Sira na.
Hindi, nakaka-check ko din si ano.
Okay, Kira. Matulad. Gloves, gloves. Oily, oily.
Gloves yung dito sa ilalim na
Ayan.
isda.
Ano yung bar? Kunin ko lang.
Here. Ilaw. Chico po ba sa inyo?
Salamat.
Ah,
Ay, lakihan natin. So. So, may lasa. It's perfect.
Sarap yun. Kasi may
Seasoning. Sorry. What happened to our model friend? He's not in here. He's not in this world. This is man's friend.
Ay, sorry, River. Teka lang, River. Ito lang. Go, River. What's happening? May naka-ready na na another. Ano, Bianca? Go lang. Hindi. Okay lang, magugas pa ako. Mamaya?
Mamaya.
In your passport.
Why?
Mamaya nga.
What's the tea? We need a queen.
Under one house.
Ito chismoso talaga.
Magano share ka nga ng chismis, Mike?
Oo nga, Michael.
Any chismis. Total chismoso ka naman.
Ito na nga.
Before. At may talk show ka?
Oh.
Podcast. Podcast.
Di gusto kong kita naman.
Ano? Wala nang gusto ay ba boses mo lang?
Ito boss.
Sayang din naman.
Kamay kasi.
Yun na din naman. Ay, inabas na mo dyan.
Sorry, princess. So, what's the baboy rin?
Yes, a little bit
Princess
na.
Peaches.
Actually, Kirsty can put that over me. Kasi gagamitin namin. Yes. Thank you. You wanna help me Google? Like, kung, ayaw. Baka mas...
Kapiting
Ito.
Thank you, Bianca. Love you.
Ano na hazards na tayo?
Ano kaya next task na?
Sino kaya next team leader? Usually, yung mga team leader, saan yung strength nila eh.
Paano ba judo?
Ugasan ko yan, Kier.
Ganon.
Oo, si Bianca na yung legs niya. Sabi na pas.
Oo. Gusto mo pantayin? Gusto mo pantayin? Meron akong role na before I came here, parang binubugbog, like, binubugbog ako. Tapos nakailang takes. Pak! Pak! And then the next day, literally, my whole like body was... Si Zack! Tapos na Neda, sa eksena, binubugbog, as in, pak! Oo, as in gano'n. Ay, sorry. As in gano'n talaga. No. Ano talaga? As in, ano talaga? Like, recently, song dito from here.
So, ano?
Wala lang. Sa body niya si Ralph. Ano yun? Hindi. Parang sabi ko,
Kailangan na dad?
supposedly sasabayan nila. Pero sabi ko, kasi try to act ng but it's an experience. It's a fun experience.
Actually, you can say the emotions will be real.
Yeah. Tsaka sa iba kasi yung iyak ng yung role ko kasi doon parang medyo abused siya. Abused wife.
Have you
Battered
watched
wife.
yung or read yung ano in Exodus?
Yeah, I did.
How did you like? Did you read it?
I read the book
And
then.
then you watched it?
Yeah, I like the book more.
Yeah,
The book
of course.
See, I told you the
Yung
book.
ano, lahat naman,
Pauline Hoover.
for sure.
But I've never read it. But I just saw my sister read it. But
Sino Blake Lively? Yeah. Idol ko pa man din. Ang daming na naging problem after that movie, no? Yeah.
alam mo, ang ganda nung color grade.
Pag hindi mo binasa yung book, magugustuhan mo talaga siya. Like, ang ganda talaga. Pero kasi pagka nabasa mo, mayroong mga lapses. Pero maganda pa rin naman.
No, but the book is great.
Yeah.
But for me, the movie sucks lang.
Team Blake, Team Justin.
Team.
Ba't nakaka-hook siya? Parang gusto ko tapusin kasi biglang
Siguro paglabas natin, nag-start na yung court trial. Ang dami ko scene na hinahanap dun. Pero syempre, dahil nga movie siya, hindi naman pwede
May
ilagay lahat.
isang book si Colleen na
Garcia, please.
na sinulat, yung Ugly Love. It's good all.
Oo.
By the same author.
Yun, Blue? The blue one, yeah.
It's good.
Di ba it ends with us, tapos it starts with us yung next?
I didn't like it starts with us though.
Ako, hindi ko din
I didn't finish it.
It ends with us.
Parang feeling ko ay okay na siya.
Okay na nagkaroon na yung
Oo,
story niya.
yun na.
Same character.
Kasi, kasi parang it starts with us. It's so like
Isang guy.
rom-com. I don't know.
Lily Anatla. It
Maganda
begins
yung
with
Black
us.
Panther.
It begins with us. Biglang...
Favorite rom-com movie of all time? Without saying the title.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older?
Sino bida?
Adam.
Ah!
Nakita, promise, ang dami lang.
Indecent?
Oh my God, that's one of my favorite also. Tsaka 51st. How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. My favorite.
Yung The Proposal.
Matthew McConaughey.
Decent proposal.
No strings
Pero
attached.
grabe
Yung Death at a Funeral, napanood yun na yun.
Hindi ba? Maganda rin yung story na.
Funny, comedy.
Ano ka? First date. Ang galing na nag-isip mo. Yeah. Alam mo yung parang ang lalim ng pinanggagaling. Pero
Ang ganda pati ni ano, no? Ni...
si yung girl?
Yeah, what's her name?
Pero natakot ako dahil sa movie na yan eh. Parang ayokong magkaroon ng injury, anything sa ulo. Dahil, sino yun?
Remember
Oh my God, sa tip of my tongue. Ako din.
The way you said
Yung, di ba host siya ngayon?
Who's yung leading lady ni Adam
the way you
Sandler?
said
Claire. Jennifer Aniston.
Hindi! Hindi siya yun! So she's sa Charlie's Angels. Di ba si Cameron Diaz, si Lucy Liu, Drew Barrymore.
Demi Lovato.
Oh yeah,
Demi Lovato.
si Drew.
basta babae talaga eh.
Yeah.
You're the next strawberry. You guys know the song?
You're the apple sugar.
Hindi, pero...
Version na ganon, wala.
My Amnesia Girl.
My Amnesia Girl! I love My Amnesia Girl!
My Gloves Ka Girl.
Tony? Tony with the Tony Swift?
My gloves.
Sorry, Princess. Tsaka si Piolo? Yeah.
Tama na yun. Hindi, John Lloyd yun eh. Hindi ba John Lloyd yun?
Papa P!
Ay, wait! My Amnesia Girl! My Amnesia Girl! Si John Lloyd! John Lloyd yun! Guys, stop! Partner! Oh, naalala ko na dito sa
Pati yung paano na kaya. Ginawa mo yung best friend mo.
Ako yung isa ng Tony, yung mataba siya na tumayat.
Ay, hindi ka lang yun.
Okay na.
The Gifted! Si an artist and
The Gifted.
Sobrang favorite ko yun.
No, it's not.
Ann
It's
Curtis
Tony
and
Sam
Christine
Minski.
Rey. Yes! Ang ganda na. Favorite ko yun.
Anong name?
My Big Love or something.
The Gifted, ang ganda. Starting over again. O, sabihin niyo.
Starting Over Again is my favorite of Tony. Yeah. What's your favorite Filipino classic?
Ah, talaga?
Really? So you don't...
Oh. Hindi ako mahilig.
Ano pa ba?
Ano favorite ng ex mo?
Eh, maganda din yung mga movie ni Sarah, ha?
Oh yes, lahat.
Yeah.
Yung John Lloyd Sarah, favorite.
Ano kasi isa nila movie?
Ay, coffee!
Sure? Ano kasi yung movie nila na favorite ko? I Just Fall in Love Again.
Right for Rent.
Ay, Right for Rent. Uy, maganda yung movies ni Kim Chu.
Kim C.
Yeah, actually.
Must Be Love.
Mga pinapalabas
Ako parang magiging favorite ko yung My Love Will Be You This Year.
Wow!
Next one, Chef.
Unhappy for You. That's real.
I'm happy for you.
Sino yun
That's one of my favorite stars.
Yung favorite scene ko yung
Sino yun happy for you?
Happy?
yung pumasok ka. Get married ka.
Yung nag-propose sa akin. Girl.
Napanood niyo yun?
Ano?
Unhappy for You.
It's good. It's a good movie.
Oo, pero...
Sabi nga ng mommy dad.
Oh, ano? Oo, hindi.
Napanood ko siya, pero ano...
Hindi mo siya gusto.
hindi siya...
Kung para magpakasal. Kasi when I was
Maganda
watching
naman, pero hindi siya...
Hindi, sabi mo lang hindi eh.
Ay, hindi.
Bata, ganun pa. Tapos
Pero magaling siya
tapos
kumarte.
kakasal si Papa.
Ang ganda ng ending.
Yeah, it's a good ending. Yeah.
No. Sino yung nasa unhappy for you? Ate Julia Joshua.
Josh Lee ah.
Yung nasa red app? Yung nasa... ano ngayon? N? Nandun ka?
Tamiola.
Saan?
Nag-propose si Aljon. Sa akin.
Late. 3G.
Yun.
Ay, yung balik nila Joshua Garcia. Napanood namin.
Para sila yung Rico yan ng Claudine.
Sa N. Nung nilabas sa N.
Tama
And
pala
up.
yun, Rico yan ng Claudine.
Yung stop the car.
Yes, bro.
You stop the car? Stop the car.
Well, ready?
Eddie?
Retiran ko din. Yung parang,
No, oh yeah, that one. Or yung,
hindi maganda.
yung nag-uso sa Black App.
Oo nga, yung stop the car.
Kasi na ano, parang yung character ni Joshua doon, na ano, ako nainis ako sa character.
Yun.
Yung character ni Joshua doon, kaya pala ayaw ko. Kasi sa Unhappy For You, nainis ako.
Hindi, okay, unhappy for you if naalala nyo. In love, are you a Wancho, yung character ni
Yes,
Josh?
or are you a-
Or are you a Sai?
Julia?
Julia. Yung character kasi ni Ate Julia there, like, basically she chose her career, herself
Over
over
love.
love. Yung character naman ni Joshua doon, bibigay niya lahat, bibigay niya yung buong mundo. For Ate Julia.
Ano ba yung core session, di ba? Pero wag lahat.
So what type of person are you?
I'm a mixture of both.
Walang masasabi.
Both sides. Ako mas career muna.
Mas career ka?
Kung ngayon, career. Yeah. May mga tao rin kasi, they would choose love talaga. All the time. Pero ako naman, medyo gusto ko kasi may patunayan muna.
So you're a Sai.
Okay.
Yeah, mas Julia.
Okay.
Parang a little
First
bit
session
more.
siguro.
Kahit na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na
Mahal
mahal
ko?
na mahal na mahal na
So you can have both rin naman if you both support
There's
each
a lot.
other.
So let's say he's the one na.
Is the one? After hindi na ako makakahanap, edi, I don't know.
No, you won't find someone like him.
Pero wala akong career. Tin, tin, tin. Doon ako sa the one. I mean, goal in life is to be a mom and to have a parent. Pero ayoko.
It was good though kasi parang wala silang mali both.
Yeah.
It was just the fact that,
Ano lang
Wrong
talaga.
timing.
yeah, wrong timing.
And because, di ba nga, sobrang
Ready,
naman
host?
ng parang sinasabi ni Ate Julia doon na parang
Why is it scary?
ayokong malunod. Ayaw niyang malunod siya na kasama siya. Like,
Yeah.
I think if the both
They were both sick, yeah.
sick. So kung hindi umalis si Ate Julia,
Hindi rin naangat si Joshua.
Pero doon sa movie kasi pinakita din nila na
Sorry,
inaban din kasi
pwede pa wash up.
yeah.
Pero there was a time sa lagi niyang pinili yung iba at this is the only time
Yes.
he
Yeah.
That's why he
Yes.
supported the
Yeah.
girl side more than the guy.
Yes.
Kasi never na-realize din nung guy na nandun eh, may ang dami ng chances nandun.
But it's a great,
It's a good girl.
it's kind of like starting over again as well. Yeah, a little bit.
I didn't watch it.
Starting over again.
Girl Boy Bakla to both
I love Girl Boy Bakla Tomboy. I love this guy is in love with Yohani.
Pare.
Pare.
Love with you, but... Hindi kahit yung handle lang. Thank you.
Have you watched that?
Vice.
Yes.
Vice films are so funny though. Classic. Yeah.
Classic,
Every
no?
Christmas talaga.
Have you watched the
Any Star Cinema movies?
Any Star Cinema?
Actually, maganda talaga Star Cinema.
Any Star Cinema.
Star Cinema yung mga...
No, actually.
It's true.
Feels like home talaga.
They never fail.
It is home. It's right. And any GMA Pictures plus Star Cinema collaboration.
Oh, wow. Yun yung grabe.
Grabe talaga yun.
And that's the reason why they're number.
Ha?
That's why they're number.
That's why. Because GMA plus ABS together.
Overload.
History.
History as we say. Right now, we're making history.
We're making history, guys. Favorite kami.
I still can't fathom the fact that we're really working with
I
two
know.
giants of the industries uniting to create an amazing collaboration. It's just nakaiyak-iyak. I can't make it.
Isang luha.
River, ikaw na. Iyak. Iyak sa pa.
One of my dreams still is to be directed by Derek Kat.
Ako rin, direct Cathy.
Like a rom-com. Like that.
Me too. Gusto ko din na rom-com. Sana mag-visit siya di.
Before nung nagla-live ako sa K, di ba nagla-live din siya?
Dumadaan siya.
Napakit niya ako, tapos ko ano yung ginagawa.
Grabe. Nag-workshop ako with Erica.
Really?
Before, yeah.
Ano yung acting workshop? Ano tinuturo niya sa acting workshop?
Well, wala siyang
style.
formula. It's more of like,
Being in the moment sa scene?
it's not like really technical about acting. It's more of like how to stay long in the industry, how to like,
Like package talaga sa
pinupush
celebrity.
nila, parang pinupush nila yung buttons mo.
What do you
And then you do
What?
scenes.
Ay, yung parang...
Parang kang nasa set. Tapos ipupush ka niya. Yan na yun. Yung ipupush ka niya. Same with Direct May. And they're the same.
Si Direct Cathy, very actors direct.
Actors director.
She'll do the scene.
Yeah.
yung mga acting siya sa harapan mo.
Tapos she'll, parang, example, give you triggers na you don't know.
That will help
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Bring it out.
Yun, exactly. Parang
ginawa niya kay Catherine sa HK.
parang she helps you.
Imagine, inaaway ka ng director mo.
Pero ano lang yun, that's all part of the starting person.
Emotion.
Yeah,
Parang
yeah.
isang
Parang nangarap ka niya ng
Parang
mga
they
scenes
just
na
like,
she wants to get
she
it
gives
out.
you like a certain skill set on how to like
Para
discover what your certain trigger points are. Tapos, dun mo siya i-apply sa iba't ibang eksena kung kailan mo siya kailangan.
Alam mo sangre?
Para may time na kailangan umiyak ako.
Nasa sangre
You know, our workshops really helped a lot. Like, up until now,
Kailangan
tricks, like yung mga trigger
Kailangan
points.
umiyak ako.
Kasi iba na
Sa sangre. Sa sangre.
I'm happy when I'm
Yeah, I'm happy when I'm...
Sinong lesson, director?
angry when I'm...
Direct,
But that doesn't work for everyone, Yung sinasabihin
Wala
ka
ka pa.
minsan, like, pag pinapagalitan, you'd expect na magagalit yung actor. Minsan umiyak na lang. May ganun din eh. Nalilito.
Wala pa ba? Ilang minutes pa ba?
Sino favorite director or si Jin?
Direct Andrew. Ay, Direct Andrew, o nga pala. Nag-direct.
Memorable.
Direct Mark.
Memorable naman.
Si Direct Mark? Sa ano? Maging sino ka? Pero hindi.
Memorable.
Sabi nito. May unit kasi yun eh. Unit siya. Pero may time din na
Gina.
na ano ka. Ano ka, Mark?
Siya first director.
Direct Mark.
Cook.
Dalawa kasi yung naging Mark.
First na first show.
Anong first show mo, bro?
William Quintana.
Ano?
Direct Mark
William
Reyes
Quintana.
na. Hindi. Ibang...
Anong year yun?
Yung talagang unang
2010.
director. Hindi. Hindi ko siya namin.
Galing, bro.
2013.
Nag-upload si Direct Andrew eh.
12 years ago?
Ikaw, Will, sino yung pinaka gusto mong director na naka-work?
Direct Cathy.
Direct naka-work mo saan? Saan, Ray?
Ano ba?
Direct Cathy?
Gusto ko maka-work?
Yung naka-work na siya?
Gusto ko siya maka-work.
Di, pero naka-work ko na siya. Diba? Pero sa
Yeah, I watched it.
sa GMA, sino yung pinaka-usay na naka-work?
What does a watcher do?
Pinaka-tatak lang sa akin talaga sa direct.
I list them.
Zig?
I watched
Gina.
orders.
Alam mo, never ko naging director yun.
Sobrang ano
Yun
siya.
nga, actually, parang there's something about
I wanna get directed by Direk Peterson.
Like, she really
Peterson is great.
So chill.
So cool.
Paano siya sa director? So, naka-work ko lang siya.
Diba? Tsaka sobrang
chill lang
amat
siya
niya, like, outside
Pero hindi lang siya yung parang acting director.
It's a fine word. Like, he's so like,
Pag nanonood siya,
That's how I met him eh.
pero sa work environment, seryoso talaga.
Ano, sorry?
Napa-act
Talaga?
mag-act
Ano siya
siya.
talaga? In love.
Nagagalit din.
Bago mo,
Ganun.
direct sino.
pa rin, outside.
No, pa outside. But when sa work, in the Zoom.
Si Direk Joron, Ash, nakatrabaho mo na.
Direct Joron, yeah.
Dude, I love Direk Joron.
I love
I
direct.
love his shots, but it takes a while talaga.
Medyo.
It's very...
May mga director talaga yung tagal ng cinematic.
Imagine mo, 30-minute setup for a 3-second shot. Pero once you watch it, you really appreciate it.
I like those more.
Yeah, but it's hard on the actor talaga. But if you watch Shaggy, iba yung cinematography namin. Compared sa normal...
Pag movie, okay lang talaga yung matagal setup. Pero
Yeah, hindi talaga.
serye,
No time.
ubos agad budget. Pero pag movie, you have to,
Tapos you are familiar with cameras?
Yeah.
He was the Red, Ari. So it's like an Alexa, like it's one of the hot, like yeah, it's like yeah. So I was like, damn, because the Red, that I think it's like almost double than a Canon.
And also like the top
or a
of the
C.
line camera.
Yeah, that's why I was like, wow. Tapos pag nakita mo yung mukha mo, ibang-iba.
Saan
Parang
ito yung ginamit niyo sa Shining?
for first few weeks. And then,
Baka
in fairness, ang laki. Ask Roxy, talagang effort.
Ano mo na?
1 year
Ah, ganun mo na?
Pang after.
Pero 1 year, dami din namin gaps. Nag-break for 1
Bakit
month.
pala lagi kayo natigil?
Mas mamaya na tong iba na.
Budget?
Airing dates. We were supposed to air.
Kayo.
How many rounds na?
We were supposed to take over Abbott. And then Abbott extended 3 times. Which I'm actually thankful for kasi I'm very happy we got 3rd slot. Then we got promoted to 2nd slot. And I like getting put into difficult time slots because if it does well, it's so rewarding.
Sabihin niya.
Yeah. Although I want the experience getting a 1st slot.
Direct Joran ba kayo the whole time?
Yes, and direct Mark Sikat.
I love sa stage.
Oh, like no, he's back. He's doing beauty.
Beauty Gonzalez?
Empire.
Sino nandun?
Si Kai and Barbs.
Ay, yung dalawa sila.
It's a good and mas magaling cast nun. And it's also the app.
You.
Yeah.
Dami
Sabihin mo na rin. Ano yun, bro? Oh, you're saying something eh.
Ay, first lot.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, you guys.
No, they're crazy. They're crazy.
Galing.
How do you know that? Ano
What?
muna? Mga bagong shows. Batayin mo muna to. Kasi
What do you mean?
yung,
Chismosa na ako, Ash.
Chismosa ka?
Kaya tanongin mo ako sa ano.
wala akong masyadong alam na chika sa showbiz.
But I like being updated.
Ito lang ang akin.
It's being
I
updated.
mean, like, parang updated ka.
But some people are like
Yung
that, ah.
updated.
Some people don't care eh.
Namin sa updated doon. Siya yung taga-update ko kasi wala akong alam. Even yung basta.
I just like to be aware. Kasi,
Ano mo nalalaman? Inaalam mo or naririnig?
sinasabi sa akin. Or minsan nakikichismosa.
Yan.
I'm friends with
Ano yun?
most of the handlers, so then I just
Ay, sabi mo kanina. Kasi mamaya.
Si Mama Je!
Oh?
Mama Je, hindi na si Ate Kim eh. Mama Je.
Nakatulala ka. Stacey, okay? Sabi ko, Bianx. Okay ba kayo ngayon? May sabihin na ka.
Daisy? Okay kami? Daisy. Come. Ashes.
Bakit? Why?
Daisy?
I'm asking.
She's asking me something.
Pero check na. No, ha? I'm asking how are you? Kami na nag-just ask natin.
She's asking if we're okay.
Ba kayo?
Yeah.
That's why I'm always here.
Yeah.
You guys are not okay. Kaya nakakainis naman yan.